Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's real quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the reverse lights in your Mazda Miata. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to pop your trunk. Then you'll need to open your trunk and figure out where the lights are, which is extremely simple. They're right here. To access your lights to change them, it's also extremely simple. You have two tabs here, one on the top and one on the bottom, and you simply squeeze those and pull. And that whole little bracket there will pop out and you have access to change your lights. Your reverse light is the one towards the inside of the car, and to remove that you have to push down and turn and it'll just pop right out, just like that. I'm replacing my lights with a JDM A-Star LED bulb. I really like these bulbs because they're extremely bright, and they are an OEM replacement, and you get a lot more light for something that fits right in the housing and requires no additional modification. To replace your bulb, simply line up those two notches, push down and twist, and it'll lock into place, and your bulb is installed and good to go. Now line up that housing, make sure that the tabs clip back into place, and your reverse lights have been changed. And just a real quick note here, on the other side it is just a tiny bit more difficult. I unclipped this and rotated it down this way to get these bulbs out just because the orientation was a little bit different with this wiring, but like I said, it's still very simple. So guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said a couple times, it's a very simple and quick job to replace these reverse lights. I would highly recommend these JDM A-Star LED reverse lights because they're hardly more expensive than a normal bulb, and you get a lot more brightness and it makes reversing a lot easier at night. So with all that said, please like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.